This episode was made possible by the sparkly and effervescent Mark McGough. Thank you, sir.
Hi there, guys, and welcome back to the plant. We are up on top of Big M at Site 3. This is the very tippy top of the generator here. And we've got, I just wanted to show this to you guys. You don't get to see this up here very often. And it's kind of cool because Site 3 still has all this. Now, I'm not going to talk about what exactly this is. I want to let people comment and see if they can figure it out because it's pretty sweet. So up here, I'll give a couple things away. This is a little mercury switch, and it connects down here to these two slip rings. And then going down, we have another pair of slip rings that are shiny and happy and in serious use. Most of the time, not this week, as you can tell because this ain't moving. And then there's this down in here. Now this is where we get into something cool. Notice slip rings. And these are a continuous ring. And then down here we have a commutator. And it's big, it's beefy. So, now this up here, you can see there's an armature, there's field windings. And this is separate from the big main generator, which I'm standing on. That's below me. So what's going on here? Can you explain what this is? Do you have any comment in? I want to see how many people get this right. This is actually kind of cool. We'll see how much you've been paying attention lately. So there's your question. I'll give you the answer to it tomorrow. We'll see who wins.